Our climate is changing, and extreme weather is now more likely in Wales. The health and social care sector in Wales is also contributing to the problem, producing over 1 million tonnes of CO2 equivalent a year in 2018-19, and whilst progress has been made, there is still much more to do. Along with reducing emissions, the sector also needs to respond to the impacts of climate change that are already being seen and those expected in the future. We need to work together and act now to create a fairer, greener Wales and to protect the health and well-being of future generations. To help support the ambition for the public sector to be collectively net zero by 2030, as set out within the Net Zero Wales Plan, the NHS Wales Decarbonisation Strategic Delivery Plan, Greener Primary Care Framework and Decarbonising Social Care in Wales Route Map set out how the health and social care sector in Wales will reduce their emissions. In line with our Climate Change Adaptation Plan for Wales, the health and social care sector must strengthen plans and take preventative action against more extreme weather, including heat and cold, to reduce the risks to health and to health and social care delivery. These plans are now turning to action across Wales. You can help too, by returning unused medicines to the pharmacy, using active or public transport to attend your appointment, or even asking your GP for a more sustainable inhaler. Click share on this video to spread the word and search gov.wales/HSC climate emergency to find out more and to help the health and social care sector ensure a fairer, greener Wales.